Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
Lucas enjoys basketball on weekends. A. Play. B. Playing. C. To play. Chloe decided to Miami for her internship. A. Going. B. Go. C. To go. Mateo suggested dinner at the new restaurant in Denver. A. Having. B. Have. C. To have. They promised the report by Friday. A. Finishing. B. Finish. C. To finish. Chloe avoided her mistakes during the presentation. A. Mention. B. Mentioning. C. To mention. Lucas refused the meeting without his manager. A. Attending. B. To attend. C. Attend. Mateo kept about his trip to Portland. A. Talk. B. To talk. C. Talking. Chloe agreed her project with the class. A. To share. B. Sharing. C. Share. Lucas admitted late to the meeting. A. B. B. Being. C. To be. Mateo wants more time with his family. A. Spending. B. Spend. C. To spend. Chloe ran her old teacher at the bookstore. A. Into. B. Over. C. Out. Lucas looked at the problem carefully before solving it. A. Up. B. Over. C. Into. Mateo turned the offer because it was too low. A. Off. B. Down. C. Out. The meeting was called due to the storm in Denver. A. Off. B. Up. C. Back. Chloe handed her homework on time. A. Up. B. In. C. On. Lucas picked a new skill during quarantine. A. Out. B. Up. C. Over. Matteo got with his co-workers quickly. A. Along. B. Across. C. Away. Chloe looked her younger brother while their parents were away. A. For. B. After. C. At. Lucas brought an interesting point in the discussion. A. Up. B. In. C. On. Matteo came a rare book in Portland. A. Over. B. Across. C. Out. The conference will be held Denver next month. A. On. B. In. C. At. Chloe is allergic peanuts. A. Of. B. For. C. To. Lucas is responsible organizing the event. A. For. B. Of. C. To. Matteo apologized being late. A. On. B. For. C. About. Chloe is married an architect from Miami. A. To. B. With. C. At. Lucas is good playing chess. A. For. B. At. C. In. Matteo is interested modern art. A. In. B. On. C. At. Chloe congratulated Lucas his promotion. A. For. B. On. C. To. Lucas insisted paying the bill. A. On. B. In. C. At. Matteo is afraid flying. A. Of. B. For. C. With. Chloe bought apples, oranges, bananas from the Miami market. A. Or. B. And. C. But. Matteo's essay was excellent, his conclusion was weak. A. Consequently. B. Furthermore. C. However. Lucas worked late, he completed the project on time. A. Therefore. B. However. C. Similarly. Chloe loves hiking in Portland, Lucas enjoys biking. A. Furthermore. B. However. C. Consequently. Mateo forgot his ID, he couldn't enter the building. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Similarly. Lucas enjoys football, Chloe prefers basketball. A. Consequently. B. Furthermore. C. Similarly. Mateo studies hard, he helps his younger sister with homework. A. Furthermore. B. However. C. Consequently. Lucas was late to class, the teacher marked him absent. A. Consequently. B. However. C. Similarly. Chloe loves classical music, Lucas enjoys jazz. A. Similarly. B. However. C. Consequently. Mateo practices daily, he improved his piano skills. A. Consequently. B. However. C. Similarly. Chloe speaks clearly during her presentations. A. Very. B. Clear. C. Clearer. Lucas placed the book on the desk. A. Neatly. B. Neat. C. Neater. Mateo is a talented young musician. A. Very. B. Too. C. Much. Chloe finished her assignment quickly than expected. A. More. B. Much. C. More. Lucas drives carefully when it rains in Denver. A. Most. B. More. C. Very. Chloe is kind person who helps everyone. A. B. An. C. The. Mateo is taller than his younger brother. A. Much. B. Very. C. Too. Each student must bring a notebook. A. Their. B. His or her. C. They. Neither Chloe nor her friends going to Miami next week. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. Lucas enjoys reading, hiking, and movies. A. Watch. B. Watching. C. To watch.
Share it with your friends, haha, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.